Another interesting logic is portal. If you want to transform the object from a position to another position, you can use the portal. The transfer object just is for object. Use the portal for character. If you insert a portal here, another portal, for example, here, if the character insert there, it automatically jump from this direction, from this position. I insert some object to these portals. For example, I insert this object. For example, if the character insert this area and goes in this exit. Okay, it means that if you play it, if your character reach, we have to make them decoration. And for a portal, you have to play from the first. Okay. I have to make them decoration and decoration. Okay, now you can review it. And as you can see, if you reach this area, it's exit from that area. If you want to change the scale of the character, you can scale it proportionally. If you want to scale it proportionally, if you scale it like this, the character exactly scale like that. Okay, so as you can see, you can change the scale of the object character in any proportion, any scale that you want. Okay, back it to 1 to 1 here in a scale. Of course, you can add more than 2 or 1 portal, for example 3, and if the character enter the portal, it copied the 3. It's interesting, as you can see. Boom, and just one character die, other character will remain to die. They can jump to each other, they can interact, jump, as you can see. You can die and die. Okay, so you can copy your character with a portal also and change the dimensions, scale, any more that you want. Another portal, if you want to add the 2 portal to 2 exit, you have to use group ID. As you can see, this group ID is exactly 0. It means if the character reach here, exit this there. Or if you want to add another portal that want to exit to another direction, for example in this direction, I want to exit the portal for example here. If I want to exit to enter here, exit here. If you want to enter here, exit here, you have to set the group ID of 1 to this and 1 to this for connecting that. And don't forget to click exit only. I want to, because sometimes I jumped here and enter here, because I want to tell the software this is exit only. So this portal connected to this portal because of group ID, and this portal to this portal. Test it. If I go here, I exit there. If I jump there, as you can see, I go here. I make the portal here. If I go backward, I exit there. If I go here, I exit here. Or you can make it this direction. So you have to connect them to object ID if you want. Make it decoration. That's it. Okay, so you have to define the software which 2 portals are connected to each other with object ID. The most important thing is delete input object. Okay, if you want to character here, I don't want this character maintained because I want to transfer this return, so delete it. If you want, you don't. You can untick. Single use. Of course, I want to single use. I want to just one time I want to use this. If you don't want, you can untick that and use a lot of times. And in the exit only, if you want to this portal just exit not interference, you have to tick that. The search radius, the radius is around that portal that detected the character approach. You can make it increase or decrease that. So as you learned, if you want to deform your character, you can deform it non-proportionally. If you want to proportionally, you can holding shift to doing that. If you want to big character, for example, I want a big character here, and now I have a big character, and that's it. Okay, this is on portal for character use. Hello my friends, to continue these tutorials on YouTube, subscribe us, like us, and hit the bell icon. And now you will be alerted about all of the amazing videos that we release.